What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody is doing good. Now, we're gonna talk about this particular truck drivers, and we're gonna talk about getting your CDL in 2022. As you can see on the screen, this truck driver has started out really good so far for the year, day 60 of the year so far. And this truck driver, he's already at 22,785.28 year to date. Um, Being that it's day 60 of the year, that should give you about roughly around, he's averaging around 370 plus dollars per day. I can't give you the exact number right now. I don't have no calculators with me, but and I'm adding every single day, even on Sundays, even though he don't work Sundays, and he don't even do 6 days. Sometimes he'll do 6 days, but not all the time. You know what I'm saying? So you can still make money in trucking. Truck drivers are making more money than they ever did before, even with the new law that they had. Because I know at the beginning of I know on February 7th where they implemented that all entry level operators of commercial motor vehicle in both interstate and interstate who are applying to get a CDL, they must first complete a minimum training requirement before taking their state administered CDL examination. But do not let that stop you. Um, Go ahead and get your CDL. Truck drivers are making more money than ever. And if you want to put it on glass and show what you made so far for the year, you can always reach out to me. My email is rlctv876@gmail.com. We do these videos to motivate. We don't do these videos to put people down. We don't do these type of videos to compete. We don't do these type of videos to make people feel defeat. Um, we do these type of videos to encourage people to get into the game, get into our lane, to use your brain, to maintain, and don't just sit on the couch and become insane because you'll just be wasting your brain. You get what I'm saying? So we just want everybody that's out there right now sitting down and thinking about getting your CDL, just go ahead and get it. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till the following day. Do it right now. You know what I'm saying? As you look at this check right now, this is a very powerful check. This driver here should finish the year at roughly between 130,000 to $140,000 for the year if he keep on going at this rate. Congratulations to the driver right here. You sir is doing a good job. Keep it up.